Hey guys, today I will be going to tell you that how you can make robotic sound without knowing any professional way to edit your audio. And let me tell you guys, this one is the easiest way to get that. So let's get started. All you want to do is to download an app from Play Store, link down below in description box. Let's see some of its features. Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Did you like this? Comment down below. India's the best place one can visit, and Indians are awesome.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.